Good morning, everyone. It's Wayne again from Free State Chopper. It's Monday morning. So I just wanted to make a little bit of an introduction video for our video that we're going to post for the repair of this Softail Deluxe's rear fender. Okay, so based on our feedback from our last workshop Wednesday video, people seem to like the way that video was done. So in that video, obviously, there was a lot of talking. I spoke a lot. Anyway, and we filmed this repair in our old form where we take videos of the different processes and then put it all together, edit it slightly, and then post it like that with music. So this one will still be in that format for now. Well, and that's why I just wanted to make this introduction video, and then hopefully from now on we'll be doing all our videos more with more talking and explaining what we do. It seems that's what people like. So all right, so this video is about the repair of this Softail Deluxe's rear fender, like I've said, taking out the dents, plannishing it, filing it, and basically metal finishing it and getting it to a place or a state where it is ready to take just primer, no body filler. So then after this, when I finish it now, it's gone to the paint shop. So we epoxy primed it now, and then high solid primed it, blocked it, and we put the first base color on, which is the white. So we'll be making a little video series of that also, and that will be with Verushka. And so you can see our process there, and hopefully from seeing that process, you'll be able to get an idea of the quality of the work that we are trying to achieve here at Free State Chopper. Okay, so we hope you enjoy this video. We are very appreciative of all the people that follow us and like our videos, and we are stunned by the amount of people that have started following us after the last workshop Wednesday video. So we are very happy about that and very grateful. So again, we hope you enjoy the video and have a great week. so like I mentioned in the video of the Workshop Wednesday video, we were going to make a video series of this fender. So yeah, the fender is completely repaired or metal finished, so there's no need for any body filler. It's basically just primer and paint. So I don't know if that's there. It's all re-riveted. So we put in copper rivets, not copper plated rivets. So it's all riveted back, you know, as it was from the factory, and ready to go on the bike. Yeah. So thanks again for everyone for watching, and then also just to one of my friends and customer, Martin Etzebet, he suggested that I wear a hat again when I make my videos. So that's why I'm wearing the hat again. So thanks for that, Martin.